Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Back in the Seat Leon again, but this time round it's a bit of a tutorial. I've been asked this question a few times, and that is, how do I get the passenger side mirror to point to the floor when I select reverse? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to set that up. So what you need to do is, first of all, make sure the car's turned on. The engine doesn't need to be running, but all the systems need to be up and running. And what you need to do is go into vehicle settings, into settings again, and scroll down to mirrors and wipers, and it's the second one down, lower while reversing. As long as that's ticked, you're set to go. So we'll exit back out of all that. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you actually need to store the set position that you require it to go to whenever you select reverse. So in order to do that, go to your mirror adjuster and you just need to move that to the left position. And then what you need to do is select reverse gear. Because I've already stored mine, it's going to go down to the position that I've set it to. But once you've put it in reverse gear, literally just go to the adjuster and move that to whatever angle you want. So in this, well, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to set that to the sky so you can see that it's worked once I've done it. So once you've set your desired position, it's just a case of taking the car out of reverse, and that's it. Now it will stay in that position. In order to get it back to the default position, if you just move the selector to 0 again, or any other selection there, and you'll see that the mirror has gone back to its default setting. Now, in order to have this feature working all the time, you do need to move the selector and keep it in left, or the passenger side. As long as it's in that selection, whenever you move the gear stick into reverse, it will go to whatever you set the mirror to, whatever position. So I will move it back down to sort of the curb side. So there's no point in having it pointing to the sky, so I normally have it around there. And yeah, once you've got it in your ideal spot, take the car out of reverse and move it back in. Well, you don't need to move it in onto any other selector. If you're about to set off driving, once you go above 15 miles an hour, the mirror will go back to its default setting, and then whenever you select reverse, it will go to the position that you set it. So just remember that you do need to have the selector on left, otherwise whenever you select reverse, it will just stay pointing behind the car, not down to the ground. So yeah, hope you found this video useful. I will be posting videos from time to time, other tutorials or little reviews about the car. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and consider having a look at my channel for other videos that I've posted about this car, whether it be little reviews or guides or tutorials. More coming soon. See you next time.